Hello guys, in this video we will be looking into how we can create some shadow analysis and light analysis using 3ds Max. So we've got our complex geometry done in our previous tutorial. So we'll take the same geometries and use these to do our light analysis. So we start off with going into the Create tab and getting into the systems, and we create our daylight here. So we select this one and we drag it out to create a compass, and it shoots right up. So this is where our sun will be positioned. We do have to change the location. So if you go into the control parameters, under location, you click on get location, and let's change it to Melbourne, Australia. So once you've done that, this will automatically change to the Melbourne sun path. We can move this towards where the buildings might be sitting on. And now we will create a few of these by right-clicking on it and doing clone, and we do copy. It will be pasted in the same location as where it is, so we just have to click out, click again, and then we change. Oh, I think I've accidentally created two of those, so delete that. So we click on this and we make a clone. Daylight, copy, okay, and it's in the same position. You can tell by here, it says two groups selected. We click out of in the workspace and we click once, and we can change it from 12 to 10. Let's make it 9, and we'll change this to 11. We'll repeat this process again. So right click, clone, that will be our third one. Click out, click again, and we'll make it to 13. Make another clone, daylight 4, click out, click in, we'll make it to 15. Let's do another one. Let's make another clone and make that one to 17. Alright, so this is where our sun will take its path. We just need the light that it can shine from these locations. So we go back into Create and we go Lights, and under Light we will do Target Light. So once you click on that, you just click and drag, and we need 4 of them, so we'll create 4 of the target lights. Once you've done that, we will have to align all 4 of them to each one of these light positions. Actually, we will need 5. Yep, so once you've done that, we'll take one of the cubes, you select on one cube, you go into this command called Align from your menu bar, you click on that and you select the compass. This will be already done for you, so you don't have to change anything, but in case if yours is not the same and if it's not working, you can follow this and just press OK, and it will align to your compass. Similarly, we'll click on the light target and we'll click Align again, and we'll choose one of the 5 sun paths here. So we'll click to this one and OK, and you can see that it's aligned from here to there. We'll repeat this process until we're finished our alignments. We'll click on the cube, press Align, click on the compass, press OK. You click on the target light, press Align, and you choose one of the daylights. Just 2 left, so you click cube again, align, make sure you're clicking the compass and you're not clicking the cube that's already been positioned here. Click on the compass, align, click on the target light, click on the path, and lastly, we repeat it again, compass, OK, light, and here. So once you've done it, it will look something like this. Now, for it to show its analysis, we'll have to go into the rendering and in the environment, and it's usually in the physical camera exposure control. So that only shows if you go in high quality, and we'll do edge faces. If you go, let me just show you the pseudo. So this is what it's showing at the moment. It's very orange and you aren't able to tell what is exactly happening. For it to be a bit more detailed, you need to change the range from 50. Let's try to make it 1,000. You can see some differences here, but it's still not very permanent. So let's try it to 1,000. Yep, and it's more, you can see a bit more of it. Maybe we'll make it to 15,000. Alright, and then this is how we can do your your sun analysis. And if you bring it closer, you can also see what is happening and which areas are getting sun and which areas are not. So looks like this building here that we had created is blocking and creating some shadows here. And if we look here as well, we can see that there's some blue spots, meaning it's not as open to sunlight. And that is correct because we've got some holes and some of them would not have many exposures to direct sunlight. And this is how you do your daylight sun analysis. Thank you so much for watching.